Hey guys, I'm Sanjeev. In this video, I'll show you how to use time saving utility. Was till then to learn interesting. Time saving utilities means quickly perform a calculation on all selected cell at once. We will cover technique of paste special, fast formatting using format painter, text to column with fixed and delimited parameters, data sorting using custom list, and summarize data using group and outline. In this video, I explains how to use paste special in Excel and how to make the process more efficient by using paste special shortcuts to paste value, formulas, comments, format column, with and more. Copy pasting in Excel is easy. I believe everyone knows the shortcut to copy a cell Control plus C and to paste it Control V. Did you know that apart from pasting a whole cell, we can paste only certain attributes such as value, formula, formatting, comments, and more? That's where paste special comes in. Excel paste special makes the pasting operation smoother by letting you choose which formatting source or destination to keep, or by striping all formatting and just pasting the value or formula. Three ways to access paste special in Excel. Let's take some example. Go to Excel. We can access its features via the ribbon like this, and right click, copy, and then click menu, and keyboard shortcut is Alt E S, and you can also press Control Alt V. Control Alt V. Here the paste special dialog box is opening. This is a paste special dialog box. Let's see, the most way to open the paste special dialog box is clicking paste special on the home tab in the clipboard group, and we can right click a cell where we want to paste the copy data, and then click paste special in the context menu. This is six most popular paste option. We When we start hovering over the paste special item in the context menu, a fly out menu will show up offering 14 more paste special. Here is the list of the shortcut. To paste the cell content and formatting, press Alt E, or you can also right click, go to paste special, and then all. And we can also press Control Alt V and A, or Alt E S and then A for all. To paste only formula, you can simply copy Control C, Alt E S, then F for formula. To paste only value and formulas, Control C, Alt E S, and then V. Press V. This is shortcut for paste only value. And copy on the cell formatted not values, so we can simply copy Alt ES, then T for formats, and paste only command attached to cell. We can simply copy Alt ES, then C for comment. For validation, we press the N. For all using source theme, we can simply press H. And all except border, we press X after Alt ES, then X. And column width, for column width, we can press W. Formulas and number format for formats, we can press R. Value and number format, we can press U. And this is like add, multiply, divide, subtract. We can press for adding, we can press D. For dividing, we can press I. Subtract, we can press S. For skipping blanks, we can press B. And if we want to transpose some text or some data, some our data, we can simply press S. Let's take some real example. Select all data, press Ctrl C or right click, go to and press copy, right click, go to paste special, go to paste special dialog box and then enter. Let's take another example for formula. If you want to extract only formula, you can select all data, press copy, and you want to copy data with formula, so simply press right click, go to paste special option and then formula. It copied all the data with formula except the formatting. Value, paste only the value of the copy data. Suppose that suppose that we have created a summary report from a number of sources, and now you need to send it to our client or supervisor. The report contains a bunch of formulas that pull information from other sheet and even more formulas that calculate the source data. The question is how we send the report with final number without cluttering it with tons of initial data. So we can simply apply paste special value only. So select cell, right click, copy, and my target range is this. Then right click, go to paste special option, and you can also press shortcut key of Alt ES, and then we want to only values. That's it. The paste as a value. Paste only cell formatting of the copied data. Whenever we want to format only specific column, specific cell. So if we want to copy only format, so simply select all cell, right click, copy, target cell, right click, go to paste special option, paste special, and simply take formats only like this. If we want to copy only the comments, ignoring the cell value and formatting, select all cell, select cell, copy the comment, right click, copy, select target cell, right click, go to paste special option, and then comment. Then you can press enter or OK. Here is a command. To paste only the data validation, here is a data validation. This is a list like kiwi, and this is a banana and mango. So if you want to take data validation setting to another cell, so copy you can simply copy all the cell or a single cell. Suppose that I copy single cell and I want to take a take a data validation from here to here. Right click, go to paste special option, and then data validation. The shortcut key is Alt ES, then press and OK. To paste all cell contained in the theme formatting applied to source cell. Sometime we copy and um, open new workbook and paste. So this the theme color change because of this pick only the color from here, not here. But you want to source theme as well. So copy, right click, go to paste special option, go to all using source theme. Here is the same color copied from this workbook. Sorry, this is all except border. I taught you the how to use source theme. All except border. Right click, go to format cell, sorry, paste special, and all except border. This copy data without border. Quickly set the desired width to all columns of our Excel table. So copy and right click. This is a target cell, paste special, and column width. This is column width. Suppose that if I decrease the size of column width, then copy, right click, and go to paste special and column width. The size also decrease. Paste formula number format such as currency, symbol, date format, etc. So we copy. This is a target cell. Right click, paste special, formula and number format. This is a formula, a number format like this, date and number format with two decimal places, and this is currency symbol. Paste value and number format except formula. So how we can do this? Right click, go to copy. This is my target cell where I want to copy data. Right click, go to paste special option, and then value and number formats only. You may want to increase all the number in range by a set amount. For example, in this price list, all the price should be increased by 5. Type 5, any cell, copy cell, right click, go to copy, select target range where we want to add 5. Then right click, go to paste special option, then add. When we add, the formatting will change. Why? Because we uh, we are not using like value, format, comment, validation. It's all. It's mean it it will show the this copy format. So then copy. Here's a change with their formatting style. And suppose that we want to add but as a value, and so right click, copy, right click, paste special option. We can add, and we can also take a value from this. Then okay, the price change. Let's take another example from multiplying number by 5. Type 5, right click, copy, and I want to multiply orange price into 5. So go to paste special option, and multiply, and same as it is. If we want to uh, if we want to take value except formatting, so we can simply add values, and you can use anything like formulas, for use, number format, validation, comment format. You can use both values and multiply. Here you go, 50. Subtract amount from a number. For example, let's subtract 2 from all price. Type 2, right click, copy, subtract orange red 2. Right click, go to paste special, subtract value. It is showing 8. Divide all price by 1000. So simply type 1000, any cell, right click, copy, select all cell, right click, paste special, and divide in value. How to use skip blanks? We have names in column G. We want to copy or write existing value, but we do not want cell blank cell to be copied to column B. Select the range G2 to G5. Right click, copy, select target range where we want to overwrite. Right click, go to paste special option, and then skip blanks. The name change. Kelly. Here is a blank. Data didn't change because here is a blank. Lee, Kevin, blank. Data didn't change. How to transpose this? So you can copy, right click, go to paste special option, and then transpose. Here is a transpose with formatting, you can take formats or you can take formulas and you can take all. So you take anything, whatever you want. So go copy data, right click and paste special. We want to transpose and we also showing as a value. So then click. This is a value and transpose. How to paste link to source cell instead of value. Select cell which you want to paste the copy cell as a link. Right click, copy, paste as a cell. Go to paste special option and paste link. Whenever we change here, it will automatic change here as well. Suppose that we want to link data from other sheets. So like control C, open new workbook or existing workbook, whatever you want to create a link, paste special, paste link. If I change the quantity 1000, 10,000, it also change here like this. Paste link, create a link. This is a link. I'll teach you text to column in next video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.